Hey, if you've been wanting to ditch the seed oils in your kitchen, but you're not sure what to replace them with, stick around. I want to show you what I found. Okay, this is Forward Farms grass-fed beef tallow. And a quick shout out, Forward Farms sent this over to me. So a big thank you to them for that. Okay, so let's talk about what this actually is. It's rendered beef fat, pure and simple. One ingredient, no fillers, no weird additives, nothing you can't pronounce. And it comes from cattle that are pasture-raised, grass-fed, and grass-finished, all U.S. born and raised on independent farms. And that matters to me because I grew up on a farm and I like knowing where my food actually comes from. Now, I know some of you are wondering, well, what does this stuff even smell like? Well, I was curious too. Actually, I couldn't remember from my childhood. It's not overpowering at all. You get a light, clean, beefy aroma when it melts, but it's not going to take over your kitchen or your food. It just kind of fades into the background and lets whatever you're cooking shine. And here's the big one. Does it have a high smoke point? Yes, it does. And that's exactly why this works so well for high heat cooking, like if you're pan searing a steak or crisping up potatoes, roasting vegetables, even deep frying it, if that's your thing. It handles the heat without breaking down or smoking up your house, which honestly is more than I can say for a lot of the oil sitting in my pantry right now. And I've worn out my exhaust fan with some of them. I scooped a spoonful into my skillet the other day to fry some eggs, and the edges got that beautiful, crispy, lacy texture, that old-fashioned flavor you just don't get from vegetable oil. It's the kind of cooking fat my mother would have had on her stove, and my grandmother. And there's something nice about bringing that back. And if you're wondering what diets this fits into, it's a great match for keto, paleo, carnivore, or just low-carb eating in general. It's also gluten-free and dairy-free, so it's a simple, clean pantry staple no matter what kind of eating style you follow. It comes in an 11-ounce jar, and a little goes a long way, so this isn't something you'll be running through in a week. It'll sit right there on your counter or in your pantry, shelf-stable, ready whenever you need it. And if you've been looking for a simple swap for your seed oils, I'd say give this one a try. I've popped the link right down in the description so you can grab it for yourself if you want. And if this video helped answer some questions for you, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe if you're not already. I've got more of these coming. So that's it. Grass-fed beef tallow by Forward Farms. I hope this helps, and I hope to see you again.